Good afternoon, good day, good morning. Charles and Simon here from the VesselTrust team. So what we want to do quickly is give you a very quick rundown in the next 4 minutes around VesselTrust itself. The problem that we face is that we have a very inaccessible market from a buy side, as well as a lot of high risk associated with participating in the oil and gas industry, as well as the market is shrinking in terms it's a very illiquid market from being able to open it up and being other people to participate in it. From a sell side, you have a lot of high brokerage costs that come with it. It's very intransparent to access the market. And you have a myriad or a ton of documentation that you require to submit for that purpose of doing oil and gas trading deals. What we have to come up with is the solution. We have built a platform that will actually allow participants that have gone through KYC and KYB and also participate in the continuation of AML checks to offer them a platform that's transparent, trustworthy, and is built around blockchain technology. The blockchain technology that we are planning on using or are already deployed with smart chain contracts is called the Binance Smart Chain. For that purpose, we are also going to offer on the marketplace to allow trading to match, to input in products, and also sellers can provide products and orders and match them so they can choose which part is best for them to work with. The platform enables various market players to actually participate and bringing them together on the platform. Of course, with the focus in mind that it's a completely trustworthy network and it's completely using the smart chain blockchain from Binance, which is a public blockchain. The product itself that we have come up to say is very unique because it allows you to it's an innovative marketplace where approved and registered companies buy and sell oil and gas as well as renewable products. And we want to expand the offering in the future to incorporate additional use cases onto the markets, such as allowing the ability of banks to onboard, insurance companies to onboard, as well as port authorities and trade authorities to participate in the marketplace. We will offer a marketplace that's a service that ranges from buying, selling, tracking and tracing of shipping orders, and as well as incorporating documentation exchange with using smart contracts to timestamp that the trade has been approved or agreed upon. The SPA contract timestamping and as well as the IPFS blockchain has supports the whole underpinning for documentation management. So we're eliminating the painful experience of having to send back and forth the contracts that are usually part of such an in the area. The market opportunity is massive. Nigeria generates revenues alone of up to 32.6 billion of yearly revenues from crude oil. If you think about the member organization from OPEC, they have generate a $323 billion industry, whereas we are only going to participate and wants to actually onboard one or two clients to generate the revenues we require to then actually become a self-sustainable environment and allowing us to then actually expand our operation base into various countries. The competition that we face is very fierce to a certain extent because you have a lot of competitors that don't have that carry parts of it. You have some that only have a marketplace, you have intermediaries, and you have licensed companies. So that makes it for a very fragmented competitor marketplace. That's why we have come up with VesselTrust. VesselTrust actually allows us to offer an end-to-end trade digitization for the whole sector. The trade has materially been offline. As you can see, you require intermediaries and brokers, which we want to disrupt with VesselTrust, the platform, as well as with the services. Our implementation strategy that we are aiming for is very simple. We have a pre-launch phase, a launch phase, and a post-launch phase. The pre-launch phase is something we're already prepared to have. We have a product that's already at the MVP stage, waiting for us to launch a product with additional support to address the market needs for our products. We want to attract at least one to two users and buyers from the buy and sell side, which we have in the pipeline, but it's difficult because we need the proper access and the proper people to actually allow them to trust us and to actually get them to use the platform. Our post-launch actually exists, continues as we want to expand the offering into various other industries as well. So for that purpose, to build the trust, we want to incorporate an entity in Switzerland which will deal as the sole proprietary purpose of making sure in case there's disputes, we have a proper way of dealing with that in terms of court and legal battles, if that's something that comes up. We also have the Nigerian base, which is the heart and the soul of the whole organization that we are wanting to form and build out, because we have the expertise on site. We have a very trustworthy team that knows the market in Nigeria as well as the players, and that can be on site in terms of making sure that the lading and the onboarding of the oil actually happens in terms of the trade execution phase. So based on all this technology, we actually, and the presentation we gave to you, we really hope to entice you and as becoming your next part of your incubator program in September. Thank you so much. We're really looking forward to speaking with you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.